video. Handy laundry is an invention that does laundry all by itself. When you put the laundry through the chute, the laundry goes through a long process, so you don't have to. You put the laundry in, and it rolls down, and there's certain things that these marbles represent different laundry types. Okay, so here is a
small,
big laundry, and here's a little laundry. The big laundry can't go through the little one, even if you force it to, but it can go through the bigger one. Now, this one could go through the bigger one, but will go through a different process. So you need to put it in the little one, and it can't get over here. So then you just, and then an arm pulls it, then pushes it back in, pulls it, pushes it back in, and it washes, and it washes, and it washes in the laundry dryer. And if it doesn't match, it will spit right out, back up the laundry chute.
So now all we need is somebody to fold it and put it away for us.
Sweet. I like it. And that's why you need a handy laundry machine.
Excellent, excellent.
Question?
Love that Lego thing. Very clever.
Heaven.
when you don't want to do your when you just want to walk the long route, what would you do?
Well, you would just
Walk the long route?
And if you don't get the laundry in time, there's a little arm over here. You can't really see it. But it opens the door, and there's a little laundry basket that attaches to the laundry machine that comes with it, and it puts it in there. Audrey?
Where would you put the laundry machine, and how big would it be? Well, you would obviously put it in the laundry room, but how big would it be?
It would be, you can order it in large, which is about,
Why wouldn't you just make it to where
about as big as this table if it were 2 times, maybe 3 times bigger, side and up. So length and width.
So it wouldn't be very big?
No, but the medium size would be about as big as this, or maybe 2 times as big as this, 2 times as wide. And the small one would be about this size. The laundry machine, well, it only carries like tiny marbles like washcloths, that stuff.
So that actually washes it and everything. So the washer and dryer
I like it.
is included,
This
or is it just the washer?
The washer and dryer is included, but it's all in one. So
Process.
there's a little thing that separates it. So once it's done there, an automatic door, it opens when it's done, and it goes through that one, and then. So here's one more preview of how it works. Oh, Josh.
How would you separate the lights and darks?
It would do that for you.
Well, if it didn't match, it would stay there. There's a little pocket.
So it would do that
Or
for
there's
you?
a little arm down here.
Okay, everybody down in